Hi, I'm Greg Paelli with Simply Property Management. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about receiving late rent. Unfortunately, we frown on late rent, but once you're in the rental business, it's a reality that this type of thing happens. So you have to be prepared for it. It does happen, and what we try to do is any rent that comes in or that does not come in by the 5th of the month, we start to begin to process notices, legal notices those are, out to the people who still owe us rent. And if they don't comply with the legal notice within the time frame of when the rent is due in accordance to the notice, then we take the files and we ship them to our attorney's office, and they start the eviction process for the rent. Now, in the event that the tenant does not still pay the rent by the time the court date is set, then we file for the eviction and we show up for court, and we get a judgment for possession of the property back. At that point, the tenant does not have the right to pay the rent. From time to time, we do make arrangements. I mean, if the tenant's a good tenant and they're just behind on the rent, from time to time we will try to make some kind of arrangements to keep the tenant in place. Sometimes we don't. It just all depends. After the expiration of the order from the judge, we then make contact and file with the sheriff or the constable's office for the lockout portion of the eviction. Thank you very much.